Good morning, everybody. I'm Deanna Southsett. It's 7:25 right now. Well, this is an expanded news break. We have breaking news for you right now, and that is that APS has closed the schools for today. Again, APS closed the schools. The children will not be going to class this morning. Now, if you do have to travel today, take your time. Some roads may be slick out there. With a look at how long this winter storm will last, here's Kristen Van Dyke. Good morning, Kristen.
Good morning. We're still seeing impacts from the first round of the storm system right now. Most of it moving out of the metro, but still between Albuquerque and Los Lunas along I-25, seeing some snow moving to the east here, and then also the east mountains over near Edgewood, Moriarty, seeing some snow activity right now. That's going to continue on to the east, and a wider view of the radar shows more showers over toward the Santo Domingo Pueblo. So the Jemez, Sangre de Cristo Mountains still seeing some light snow, and of course down across the Sacramentos, Carrizozo, Ruidoso seeing some snow right now, but most of the action is confined to the central parts of New Mexico right now, and that will be winding down over the next few hours, and a lot of the activity tapering off as we head through the rest of this morning and the early part of this afternoon. But another disturbance is going to be moving in from the northwest, and that's going to bring more snow for much of central and western New Mexico. Could pick up a foot or more for the east slopes of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, and of course the metro may pick up another couple of inches. And not only the snow, we're going to have to deal with the cold as well. It's only 16 degrees right now with winds out of the east at 31 miles per hour. We'll see gusts near 45 miles per hour. So when you factor in the wind, it feels like it's 5 degrees below zero in the metro right now. 11 below in Santa Fe, and then dangerously cold in the northeast, where temperatures there feel like they're 25 to even 30 degrees below zero. When you get that cold, you get frostbite in half an hour. So dangerously cold up there with the wind, and of course we'll continue to see the wind through the day. Day planner for the metro area. Isolated snow possible as we head toward lunchtime with mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures struggling to even get to the mid-20s this afternoon. Then we'll see a better chance for snow moving back in later on this afternoon and tonight, and highs across the state. Single digits in the northeast, 11 in Tucumcari, 28 in Roswell, and 27 in the metro, low 30s in the Four Corners area. 7-day forecast shows another round of snow moving in tonight, early tomorrow with highs in the teens, then drier and starting to warm back up a little bit by Friday, Saturday.
All right, thanks a lot, Kristen. Roadways, a real mess. We have just learned that I-25 in both directions in the north part of the city has reopened, but it is still slick out there. To check on the latest, here's David Romero. He's at I-40 and Tramway.
Deanna, two dangers we want to warn viewers about this morning are dangers on the roads and dangers of being out here just as a bare human person. Now, we have heard reports of accidents on I-40 around the Wyoming area. A lot of cars spinning out on Paseo del Norte. Take a look behind us right now. This is over here on Central and Tramway. We've been here all throughout the morning. It's still snow-packed and icy, but the worst part you're going to have problems with is visibility here on the eastern side of the city, especially here at the mouth of the canyon. There are wind gusts, rather sustained winds at 21 miles per hour, gusts at around 30 at least. The wind chill is at about 4 degrees, temperatures at 20. That's going to cause black ice underneath all the bad roads that are out here right now. And of course, as we mentioned, there's a human factor. If you're going to be out here, the wind is going to go through no matter how many layers you're wearing, and any exposed skin is going to be at danger. Deanna, back to you.
All right, David, get inside that truck. We'll get another report from David Romero coming up at 7:55. Now, if you are driving, be prepared for the worst on the highways in many parts of the state. Severe driving conditions are being reported on I-40 east of Carnwell to Tucumcari. Crews are out plowing right now. Same situation on US 180 near Silver City and US 380 at Tatum. Those roadways are snow-covered and they're icy. There are numerous alerts on I-25 all the way from Santa Fe to Colorado. Also, New Mexico 518 in northern New Mexico is closed in parts. It is snow-packed and very difficult to navigate. State police are urging all drivers to use extreme caution this morning as the road conditions are expected to get worse. And just a reminder, I-25, both directions in the north part of the city, now reopened. If you want to get more detailed reports on road conditions, you can call the state's hotline at 511. We've also posted all of that on our website at krqe.com. We'll have another update on your weather at 7:55. We'll also go to Kristen immediately if anything changes. Now, if you're planning to catch a flight from the Albuquerque Sunport today, you will want to call ahead. Earlier today, the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport was closed. We have just received word that it has reopened just in time for the Super Bowl, of course. American and United have already announced that they have cancellations and delays from Albuquerque this morning, including flights to Denver. The Sunport sent us an email overnight urging passengers to check your flight status. Now, this winter storm is not stopping the Albuquerque Public School Board election election from happening today. Bernalillo County Clerk Maggie Toulouse Oliver says no matter what the weather is like, polling locations will open at 7 this morning and close at 7 tonight. CNM also has an issue on that ballot. 3 of the 7 school board seats are up for grabs. They're in the South Valley, the University area, and the West Side. County Clerk says if you experience any problems at your polling location, you are to call her office immediately. Well, thanks for joining us. For continuous news and weather updates, you can log on to KRQE.com. We'll break in with anything that changes, and we'll see you in half an hour.